Welcome everyone to this exciting episode of Top 5 Best Ways to Make Money Online with Chat GPT. In this video, we're going to be discussing the top 5 best ways to make money online with the help of Chat GPT. With so many people looking for ways to earn extra income, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. That's why I've compiled this list of the best methods that you can use to start making money online today. Whether you're looking for a full-time income or just a little extra pocket change, there's something on this list for everyone. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn about the top 5 best ways to make money online with Chat GPT. Background: with the increasing trend of artificial intelligence and the internet, more and more opportunities are being created for individuals to make a livelihood from the comfort of their homes. In this section, we will delve into the background of using Chat GPT as a tool to make money online. As you may know, Chat GPT is a language model developed by OpenAI, one of the leading organizations in the field of AI. This model has been trained on a massive corpus of text data, making it capable of generating human-like responses to text-based queries. This feature has made Chat GPT a popular tool for a variety of tasks, including customer service, content creation, and, as we will explore in this video, earning money online. It is important to note that while Chat GPT has the potential to make money online, it is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Making money with Chat GPT requires time, effort, and dedication, just like any other business or job. However, the advantage of using Chat GPT is that it offers a flexible and scalable way to earn money from anywhere in the world with just a computer and internet connection. Let's explore the top 5 best ways to make money online with Chat GPT. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or a professional looking for a side hustle, you're sure to find a method that suits your skills and interests. So without further ado, let's dive into the ways to make money with Chat GPT. Method 1. Chatbots. If you're an entrepreneur, small business owner, or just someone looking for a side hustle, you won't want to miss this one. In this section, we'll be discussing the first method of making money online with Chat GPT: chatbots. Chatbots are rapidly becoming one of the most in-demand technologies, as they allow businesses to automate customer service and streamline their operations. With the help of chatbots, businesses can save time, money, and resources, while providing their customers with quick and efficient support. And the best part? You don't need to be an AI expert to get started. Chat GPT, the language model developed by OpenAI, is an excellent tool for building chatbots. With its advanced natural language processing capabilities, Chat GPT can understand customer inquiries, answer questions, and even complete tasks. You can use Chat GPT to build a chatbot for your own business, or offer your chatbot building services to others as a freelancer. Not only is building chatbots with Chat GPT easy, but it can also be incredibly profitable. The demand for chatbots is only going to increase in the coming years, and as a chatbot builder, you'll have the opportunity to capitalize on this growing market. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or start a full-fledged business, chatbots are a great place to start. Method 2. Virtual writing and content creation. In today's digital age, content is king. If you have a passion for writing and can communicate effectively, then virtual writing and content creation could be the perfect money-making opportunity for you. With the increasing demand for fresh and unique content, the opportunities for writers and content creators are numerous. From blog posts and articles to social media updates and product descriptions, businesses of all sizes are in constant need of content. And the great thing about virtual writing is that you can work from anywhere, at any time, and create your own schedule. One of the best ways to get started is by offering your services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. These websites connect businesses with freelancers and allow you to showcase your writing skills and portfolio. You can choose the projects you want to work on and set your own rates, making virtual writing a great way to earn a passive income. But virtual writing and content creation are not limited to just text-based content. With the rise of video content, there is also a growing demand for script writers, voiceover artists, and captions writers. If you have a talent for writing and a unique perspective, There is a market waiting for you. So whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting out, virtual writing and content creation offer a flexible and profitable way to make money online with Chat GPT. By leveraging the power of language, you can turn your passion into a profitable career. Method 3. Social media management. Social media has become one of the most essential platforms in today's world. It has become a necessary tool for business and personal use, connecting people from all over the globe. With the increasing importance of social media, it has become an attractive platform for individuals and businesses to make money online. Social media management involves creating and managing social media accounts for businesses, organizations, or individuals. It involves creating a content strategy, scheduling and posting content, engaging with followers, and analyzing results. With the right approach and knowledge, social media management can be a lucrative way to make money online. To become a social media manager, it is essential to have a strong understanding of different social media platforms and their respective algorithms. You should also have a creative mind, excellent communication skills, and the ability to work with a team. Additionally, having a background in marketing or a related field can increase your chances of success in this field. Once you have the skills and knowledge, you can start offering your services to clients. You can reach out to local businesses, offer your services through freelancing websites, or even create your social media management agency. The best part about this method is that you can work from anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection. Method 4. Virtual assistants. In today's fast-paced digital world, businesses and individuals alike are in need of assistance with their daily tasks and operations. This is where virtual assistance comes into play, providing a cost-effective solution. To those in need of administrative support, virtual assistance is the act of providing remote support to clients with a range of tasks, including scheduling appointments, organizing emails, handling customer service inquiries, and more. With the rise of remote work and the increasing demand for virtual assistants, this is a fantastic opportunity to put your skills to work and make some extra money. One of the great things about virtual assistants is the versatility it offers. You can work from the comfort of your own home and choose the hours that work best for you. You can also specialize in a specific industry or type of task, making it easier for clients to find the right person for their needs. There are many platforms that offer virtual assistance jobs, including Upwork, Fiverr, and Virtual Staff Finder. You can also reach out to businesses and individuals directly, offering your services as a freelance virtual assistant. To be successful in virtual assistance, it's important to have strong organizational and communication skills, as well as the ability to work independently and manage your time effectively. If you're looking for a flexible and rewarding opportunity to make money online, virtual assistants may be the perfect fit for you. Method 5. AI-powered solutions. In the modern world, technology is growing by leaps and bounds, and artificial intelligence is playing a significant role in shaping the future. AI-powered solutions have revolutionized the way businesses operate and provide new opportunities for individuals to make money online. Here are some of the best AI-powered solutions for making money online. AI-powered affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing has been around for a long time, and AI is now making it even more effective. AI-powered affiliate marketing allows you to promote products and services to a large audience with the help of algorithms that determine the best products to promote based on a user's browsing history and interests. AI-powered e-commerce. AI-powered e-commerce platforms allow you to set up your own online store without any technical skills. These platforms use AI algorithms to manage inventory, handle customer support, and even provide personalized product recommendations to customers. AI-powered stock trading. AI-powered stock trading algorithms can help you make money by analyzing market data and making informed decisions on when to buy or sell stocks. These algorithms are constantly learning and adapting to new market conditions, making them a powerful tool for generating passive income. AI-powered gig platforms. AI-powered gig platforms connect businesses and individuals with freelancers who can provide a variety of services, from content creation to virtual assistants. AI algorithms match freelancers with the best gigs based on their skills and experience, making it easier for businesses to find the talent they need. Bonus: so far, we've covered a lot of ground, from chatbots to virtual assistants, and even ad-powered solutions. But we're not done yet. In this bonus content, we'll be taking a look at some additional tips and tricks to help you maximize your earning potential online. Firstly, it's important to have a clear and concise goal in mind. Whether it's earning a steady income or supplementing your day job, having a goal will help you stay focused and motivated. Additionally, it's always a good idea to diversify your skills and offerings, as this will make you a more valuable asset to potential clients. Another key to success is networking. Reach out to people in your industry, participate in online communities, and attend virtual events. This not only helps you stay up to date with the latest trends, but it also provides you with the opportunity to make valuable connections. And remember, the more connections you make, the more opportunities you'll have to grow your client base and increase your earnings. Finally, don't be afraid to ask for help. Whether it's reaching out to a mentor or seeking support from a community, having a support system can make all the difference. Not only will you be able to get advice and guidance, but you'll also be able to bounce ideas off of others and get feedback on your work. Conclusion: as we come to the end of this video, I hope you have a better understanding of the top 5 best ways to make money online with Chat GPT. Whether it's through chatbots, virtual writing and content creation, social media management, virtual assistants, or AI-powered solutions, there's no shortage of opportunities for you to explore. With the right strategy, effort, and dedication, you can turn your Chat GPT skills into a thriving business or source of passive income. So if you found this video helpful and informative, please like and subscribe to our channel. We will be bringing you more content on similar topics in the future. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. We would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy earning!